Most of us don't mind getting extra cash for doing almost nothing, and scammers know that. Let's have a look at some of the most common money-making scams and ways to avoid them. Number 1. Free PayPal money. This scam usually comes in the form of a website looking similar to PayPal and offering you to multiply the money you put in by using some dodgy algorithms. The fact is, PayPal doesn't give away free money. So if you noticed such an ad, it's most likely a scam. Once you make the transfer, you probably won't hear from them again. Number 2. Fake gurus. Overly confident business coaches draw some schemes on a flip chart, and telling how easy it is to earn $1 million per month surely looks suspicious. And there is a reason for that. Most of these teachings do not work in practice, and these gurus usually know it. All they want is your money for their online courses or content. Always make sure to check your tutor's background carefully if you enroll in any online courses. Number 3. Binary options. A binary option is an option contract when a buyer receives either a predetermined amount of money or nothing. It depends on whether the price of an asset rises or falls below a specified amount. Scammers frequently use binary option schemes to fool potential buyers. They can refuse to transfer the funds you earned, steal your identity, or manipulate their algorithms to make you lose the trade. Number 4. Crypto mining scam. Cryptocurrency has been a fertile ground for scammers. They can offer you some mining opportunities without expensive hardware or to double up your investments. Be aware that too good to be true logic applies here too, and most likely you will part with your money instead of earning them. Number 5. Friendly hacker scam. Friendly hackers usually will offer their services in comment sections or forums. They claim they can hack any account or website for you, which will allegedly make you some profit. But again, they will most likely disappear with your money. Number 6. Comment scam. As the title implies, it thrives in the comments section of forums, blogs, social media, etc. Usually they prompt to click on some malicious link where they will try to enroll you into some dodgy scheme. Number 7. Survey spam. While some companies offer money for surveys legitimately, they are also a popular object for scammers to exploit. As usual, the monetary offers look amazing. For example, they may promise you $200 per day just for completing surveys. But in the end, you will probably just waste your time or even money, as sometimes they ask you to pay some initial fee. While scammers always sharpen their tools, you should raise your awareness too. Here are some general tips on how to avoid such scams. Carefully check if the link does not contain some odd additions or characters in its original name. Check whether the website is reliable. Try to do some research online about it if you feel suspicious. If there is very little info or almost no info on it, it is probably a scam. If you enroll in some online courses, always check the background of tutors. See whether their achievements really correspond to what they teach. If you see lots of obscure companies and educational institutions in their CVs, it is a red flag. If things seem too good to be true, they usually are. So if anyone offers you free money, incredible bargains, and investment schemes instantly doubling your profits, they most likely wish to snatch your money. Do not click on suspicious links, banners, or pop-ups. They can not only make you fake offers, but also inject you with malware. Stay safe. To learn more about VPNs and online security, subscribe to the NordVPN YouTube channel.